సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Now we are going to discuss 5-section filter. 5-section filter is the combination of one capacitor and L-section filter. L-section filter. 5-section filter is the combination of one input capacitor C1 is the combined with L-section filter. What is the L-section filter? L-section filter is the shunt capacitor filter. Shunt capacitor filter plus series inductor filter. So totally pi-section filter is the combination of one input capacitor and shunt capacitor filter plus series inductor filter. Series inductor filter, that is the choke filter. Okay, choke input filter. So this combination is called as 5-section filter. So when higher DC output voltage at load is required, that means DC higher output DC voltage is required, an input capacitor C1 is added to L-section filter to form a 5-section filter. Okay, when higher DC output voltage at load resistance is required, an input capacitor C1 is added to L-section filter to form a 5-section filter. That means already we know that C1 plus L-section filter. C1 plus, what is the L-section filter? L-section filter is the shunt capacitor filter plus series inductor filter. This is the 5-section filter. Once we observe full wave rectifier, this is the full wave rectifier, this is the transformer, this is the primary coil, this is the secondary coil S1 and S2. Okay, S1 is connected to diode 1, S2 is connected to diode 2. So primary is connected to AC input voltage. This is the transformer, this is the full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier has 2 diodes. Okay, this secondary coil is connected to load resistance. Total this circuit is connected to 2 capacitors, 1 inductor. So this is the input capacitor, this is the L-section filter. So totally this is the pi-section filter. 5-section filter. So 5-section filter means one input capacitor C1 is added to L-section filter. That L-section filter contains inductance and one capacitor. So this is the 5-section filter. Okay, so this is the full wave rectifier. The full wave rectifier produces the pulsating DC and the AC components with DC. So that DC current in this way filtered, then the output means filtered DC pure DC, pure, this is the pure DC. Okay, when higher DC output voltage, this is the higher DC output voltage yet load resistance is required, so an input capacitor C1 is added to L section filter, form a 5 section filter. The use of 5 section filter provides an high DC output voltage, DC output voltage. This is the output voltage. Okay, the reason behind this high output voltage is that entire input voltage appears across the input capacitor C1. Okay, the voltage drop across choke coil and capacitor C2 is quite small components of AC. So the refill components are very small. Okay, once again, this high DC output voltage behind this output is that the entire input voltage appears across the input capacitor C1. The voltage drop across choke coil and capacitor C2 is quite small. So the ripple components and also the AC components are very small. So the pure DC is comes out. The pure DC is comes out. Okay. The 5 section filter is made of two components. The capacitor filter formed by capacitor C1 and inductor input filter formed by choke L and capacitor C2. Okay, the capacitor C1 is periodically charged to almost the peak value of the rectifier output between successive charging process, because C1 is the filtered total AC input components. Okay, next, L section filter is the allows the DC and block the AC currents. L section filter is the allows the DC and block the AC currents. So the 5 section filter produces a unidirectional output voltage across load resistance. So here refills are very negligible. So very small refills are very small. That means AC components are very small. AC components are quite. So pure DC comes out. In 5 section filter, the DC output voltage varies much with load current. That is the graph is the, this is the graph. This is the load resistance. This is the refill voltage. In 5 section filter, DC output voltage varies much with load current. The regulation is poor is compared to L section filter. Here regulation is very poor. Compare the L section filter. This is the 5 section filter, L section filter. So in L section filter, regulation is very good. Here 5 section filter, regulation is very poor. Okay, so 5 section filter is preferable when the maximum output voltage is required. We use the 5 section filter. Okay, advantages of this filter: it is used in both half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Advantages: this is the used in half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Here in this 5 section filter, more means high DC output is obtained. Okay, next, output is almost pure DC. Here output is almost pure DC. Okay, disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Disadvantages is the here voltage regulation is very poor. Voltage regulation is very poor, and cost, size, and weight are more here. In 5-section filter, cost and size, weight are very more. These are two disadvantages. Regulation is very poor, and cost, size, weight are very high. These are advantages. The 5-section filter, it is used in high voltage, high half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. More DC output is obtained. Output is almost pure DC. Okay. Next, main characteristic is the refill factor. Refill factor is very small here. Refill factor is very small. Under root 2 upon 8. Refill factor is root 2 upon 8 omega cube C1 C2 L. Alright. See, this is the refill factor. This is the refill factor of the 5-section filter.